Welcome to Krio Food Jam, where we get creative in the kitchen. In this series, you'll discover why Krio Krush seasonings are the absolute foundation for creating flavoursome and interesting dishes. We'll not only show you why, but I'll also divulge some of the secrets locked away in each seasoning. Pulled pork, a very popular dish these days, and in our recipe we're going to be using a Moroccan style seasoning. What we're looking for is just an even coating, and then we're going to cry back and sous vide this for 16 hours. Okay, now to assemble our pulled pork burger. Our pork has been cooking for 16 hours in the Moroccan spice. I've now toasted the bun, so we're just going to lay a little bit of cheese on the bottom layer. So, our pulled pork, which we've just kept warm, it's nice and juicy. Then I've just lightly roasted some capsicums, just adds a nice sweetness to the dish. Then what I've got here, I've got some rocket leaves and some pea tendrils, which I've just mixed together, and I'm rolling it like this, so therefore it forms a nice ball. So there, when I put it on top, it'll stay. And then we top our burger, like so, and then lift it to our board, and then we're going to add our chips. And to season our fries, we're going to be using the Greek chip seasoning. Absolutely fantastic, has a great oregano, chicken salt, just toss that. Then we finish it off with some crumbled feta cheese over the top. There we have it, our Moroccan pulled pork burger with Greek style chips.